Assalamu alaikum. In this video lecture, we will be discussing some words of vocabulary. So let's start. Our first word for today is writhing. Writhing basically means twisting or turning as if it in pain or discomfort. पाँव के मुड़ जाने के लिए भी आप जो है ना वो writhing का word use कर सकते हैं. For example, the athlete was writhing in agony after injuring his ankle during the game. Synonyms include screaming, contorting, convulsing, thrashing, twisting, and antonyms include still, motionless, calm, composed, serene, peaceful. Waft basically means to move gently through the air. For example, the scent of the freshly baked bread wafted through the kitchen. Synonyms include drift, glide, float, flutter, sail, whisk. And antonyms includes plummet, crash, slam, sink, fall, and drop. Yearning basically means a strong desire, a longing for something. ठीक है? For example, her yearning for a better future kept her motivated to work hard. ठीक है? किसी चीज़ की शदीद ख्वाहिश होना, उसके लिए हम yearning का word use करते हैं. Synonyms include longing, desire, craving, aspiring, wishing, thirst, and antonyms include disinterest, apathy, indifference, dislike, aversion, and repulsion. Yelp. Yelp basically means a sharp, high-pitched bark or cry. For example, the dog let out loud yelp when it stepped on the throne. ठीक है, तो कोई भी ऊंची आवाज से अगर कोई चीख रहा है, चिल्ला रहा है, ठीक है, तो उसके लिए आप yelp का वर्ड यूज करेंगे. Synonyms include hawk, walk, shout, scream, squeal, and screech. And antonyms includes murmur, whisper, mutter, mumble, hum, and drone. Yield means to produce or provide something such as a result or a crop. ठीक है, ये नहीं है कि जब आप कोई भी आउटपुट देते हैं या कोई भी चीज़ अचीव करते हैं, किसी भी चीज़ से आपने अल्टीमेटली कोई चीज़ बनाई होती है, तो उसके लिए हम कहते हैं कि उसकी यील्ड है, ये उसका आउटपुट है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द फार्मर्स हार्ड वर्क yielded a bountiful harvest this year. Synonyms includes produce, generate, provide, give, create, and bear. And antonyms includes withhold, hold, keep, retain, deny, या resist. Next word is zealous. Zealous means having or showing a strength and enthusiastic attitude towards something. For example, she was zealous about her new project and worked tirelessly to complete it. किसी भी चीज़ के बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा पुरजोश होना, जज्बा रखना, एक्साइटेड होना, एनर्जी रखना, उसके लिए हम zealous का वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं. Synonyms basically include passionate, fervent, enthusiastic, eager, dedicated, and ardent. And antonyms includes indifferent, apathetic, lethargic, unenthusiastic, unconcerned, and disinterested. Zenith means the highest point or the peak of something, usually used in the figurative sense to refer to the pinnacle of success or achievement. For example, winning the national championship was the zenith of his athletic career. यानी है कि जब कोई भी हाईएस्ट पॉइंट होता है ना किसी चीज़ का, उसके लिए आप जेनिथ का वर्ड यूज करते हैं. वो कैरियर का भी हो सकता है, वो किसी माउंटेन का भी हो सकता है, किसी भी चीज़ का हो सकता है. Synonyms include apex, peak, climax, pinnacle, and antonyms includes another, bottom, base, low point, depth, and bottommost point. Zest basically refers to the great enthusiasm, energy, and passion in doing something. It can also refer to the outer layer of the citrus fruit that is used as a flavoring in food. ज़्यादातर zest हम enthusiasm और energy की सेंस में ही यूज़ करते हैं. किसी चीज़ के बारे में बहुत excited होना, energy होना, ठीक है, बहुत ज़्यादा जो है ना वो बहुत ज़्यादा आप फील करते हैं कि that you can do that thing, तो उसके लिए आप zest का वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं. For example, she approached every task with great zest and energy. Synonyms basically include enthusiasm, energy, passion, vigor, liveliness, and excitement. And when we talk about antonyms, so basically antonyms include apathy, indifference, lethargy, dullness, boredom, and monotony. थैंक यू सो मच. दिस इज़ ऑल फॉर दिस वीडियो लेक्चर. इसके साथ ही हमारे वोकैब के वर्ड्स ख़त्म हो गए. बाकी इंशाल्लाह हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो लेक्चर्स में डिस्कस करेंगे. थैंक यू सो मच. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.